Okay, just a quick little video about what the auxiliary port on our circuit board does. Basically, that port is good for wiring up the cellular unit as seen in this video, or like a motion detector. So that port does not supply power until you arm the system. And at that point you can see the cellular unit powered up, looking for signal, and we disable the system and power is disabled. Now when you're testing or using this system, wait 30 seconds or so to make sure power gets all the way to the cellular unit or the motion detector. Also make sure that you let the alarm go off for at least 30 seconds so that it can get a good signal. Thanks and have a great day.